Hey everybody, today is Wednesday, May 27th. I hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, that were able to get outside, enjoy the weather, and spend time with your family. Um, so today is day one of the rock cycle. We are done with Earth's history and we are moving on to one of my favorite units that we cover in Earth Science. And I'm just sad that I have to do this with you through distance learning and not in the classroom. So there are two tasks that you have to go through today. One will be completing an interactive rock cycle intro Google Slides. You've done this for the Earth's History unit, where you each get a copy of the Google Slides and you'll scroll through them. It just says this presentation goes back and forth between short videos and interactive slides. You may watch the videos in edit mode or present mode, but you must be in edit mode. So the screen should look like this. You should not be hitting present up here in order to manipulate the interactive slides. So you're going to go through the slides, and there's a couple of video clips, and you can see here one of the first interactive slides you're going to do is dragging the key terms here in red into the blanks, and you're going to be doing that multiple times. And again, here's another one, you're dragging them into the examples. So just make sure you're reading the directions, you're completing each slide. This is actually the rock cycle, and you'll be putting all the different types of rocks, sedimentary, metamorphic, igneous, and kind of the processes that they go through in order to get to that type of rock. And this is worth 5 points. So it's a total of 10, but this is the 5 points. Then what you're going to do is your second task, which is your next 5 points to give you a total of 10 points. You're going to play the rock cycle game. The directions for the game are in writing in the Google Slides, and Mrs. Mealy also shows you how to play it. She plays it herself. So this is what the slide looks like. What we're going to be looking for in terms of earning your points, okay, is completing your chart here. So let's just go back up. Oh, sorry. Let's just go back up to the top. Okay. So the directions say, so you're going to pick one of these colorful slides here on the side. You can see it says magma, igneous rock, metamorphic, sedimentary, sediment. You're going to pick one of those, and that's where you're going to start. That's where you're going to be your starting location. So once you decide where you want to start, you'll record that into your data table. So I'm going to start at magma just because it's the first slide. So then what I would do is I would scroll down through my rock journey cycle, and right here under position, I would put in magma. Okay. Then you would roll a die. So let's say you roll a dice, and I roll a 3. Uh-oh, I'm still in the magma chamber. I stay magma. So I would go back to my data table. What happened is I'm stuck in magma chamber. And where did you go? Nowhere. You're still magma. Sorry. Okay, and you'll keep doing that. I think it's a total of 10 rolls, and you'll go through each time, and hopefully you'll get to each slide, and you'll get away from magma or start, seeing other rocks form. But that's what we're looking for in terms of earning your 5 points for this part of the lesson. So again, just to reiterate, there are 2 tasks that you have to complete: the interactive rock cycle intro, and then also the rock cycle game. Please make sure you're reaching out with any questions. Shoot us an email. We're here to help, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the rock cycle game. It is a fun game. We play it in school. It's always a fun lesson. So have a great day, and hope everyone's doing well.